Now, keep in mind that I'm not talking about a few small payments here and there. I'm talking about massive payments like $280, $375, and $830, and it is allowing to the strength of this Google technique, which I will demonstrate in this video. Only few people are aware of this approach, and those who are aware of it keep it to themselves, so please allow me to share the best of what I know with you. The greatest thing is that this strategy works in every nation and pays off in several ways. Stay tuned and watch till the end to understand the hidden Google method and start earning right away. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. The first step in making hundreds of dollars using Google is to go to shrinkme.io and key in shrinkme.io followed by enter. You will notice the first website right here, which is a URL shortener that can pay you up to $220 if you utilize it. Now, when you click on this link, you will be sent to the actual page where I will teach you how to make $220 in just minutes. To get started, simply follow my directions and use my Google technique. Let me show you some of the payment proofs on this website. Just look at how folks from all around the world are generating money right now and catching up on their earnings right here. This website in general pays out on time every single day and never misses a payment. They pay their members and you can observe that no payments are missed. They are paid in a variety of ways including bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, Payza, and Bitcoin. You can also view how much they've paid their clients in real time. You simply need to take 3 easy actions to start generating money on this website right away. The first step is to make an account and sign up for it. The next step is for you to begin shortening your links and sharing them with others, which I will demonstrate in the video. The final and most crucial step is to begin generating money. But there's a catch. You will need to pay careful attention to this video because it will only work if you do it right, which I will show you how to do later in the movie. Simply hover your cursor over the top right hand corner to see this register button. If you want to register for a free account, click this link and fill out the form to sign up for a new membership. Now, when you sign up for a free account, you will get a $1 welcome bonus, and after you've made $5, you can start withdrawing your money utilizing my Google method, which I will teach you how to do right now. One of the reasons I prefer this business to others where you may make money using the same approach but only get paid every other week is that this website pays out daily and accepts a variety of payment ways. If you're from various countries across the world, you can get your payment on this website and the minimum payment is only $5. It is quite easy. Once you've made $5, you can start cashing out your money into whatever payment method you like, and that is how it works. Right now on this website, we will shorten this URL by going to YouTube and finding a video of a very specific video, copying the URL and then returning to this page and pasting the URL into this bar. After that, you'll be able to share it across multiple platforms and earn money every time someone clicks on it. Let me now demonstrate the various payment rates available to you. You will get $22 if people from Greenland click on your link. You will get paid $7 if you get individuals from the United States to click on your link. People will click on your link from all around the world and you will be able to earn a range of various amounts of money. That is why you will need to use the Google trick that I will teach you, since the highest money you can make per 1,000 views is from individuals in Greenland who will pay you $22 per click. So in this video, I will teach you how to discover the greatest video on YouTube, because you won't earn much money if you find a horrible video. Then we will go to this website to shorten the URL, and then we will go to Google and use a special tactic to double your money and make a lot of money with this approach. I am really excited to show you this entire strategy, but before we get started, I will give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you like what you've seen so far. And of course, if you found this video interesting and informative, please do leave a comment below. We would love to hear what you have to say. Okay, now it's time to get back to work and make some money. So, as a first step, I would like you to go to YouTube since so many people in our world want to learn how to lose weight, and the best performing videos I've ever seen are all about weight loss. So when you go to YouTube and search for weight loss videos, apply this filter, and because there is new fresh content this week, the highest performing video will be determined this week as well. Now, you must select the video with the most views, likes, and comments for this week since there will be competition from other videos that have just been posted. As you can see, this one was uploaded quite some time ago, and you will also discover the most popular ones among these other videos. This one, for example, has a lot of views, so the next step is to click on it and then copy the video URL link. Now go to shrinkme.io and paste the URL right here in this tab, and then all you have to do is click on this button and they will give you a shorter URL as seen here. Simply click on this to highlight them and then copy this link to store for later. Now is the time to go back to Google and search for forums, especially weight loss forums. You can find a weight loss forum by putting weight loss forum into your search engine. People who want to lose weight frequently hang out and join multiple forums to engage in different debates and learn different weight loss ideas. Therefore, when we utilize this method, we will find a lot of different forums where we may publish the link. So, you will join one of these forums such as this one. You can discover hundreds of other forums by searching on Google, but stick with me until the end of this video because I will teach you the #1 approach for getting people from Greenland to click on your link so you can make more money. As you can see, getting people from Canada only pays $6.50, but getting people from Greenland pays you 4 times as much. I will show you how to achieve it in a minute. Returning to the forum, you can actually just sign up and join for free. So in this case, click the sign up option and fill out your information. What I recommend is that you can create a false username and then make an account. You can do this on as many forums as you want. The more forums you find, the more links you can share. However, there is one major flaw with this method. While you can get people from all over the world to click on your link, how can we narrow our focus and find more people from Greenland, Ireland, and the United States to make more money? This is the secret method I want to show you. When you do a separate Google search, you will go to this setting. So I went to settings and found advanced search, which you will select, and then you will see this region right here. If the region you want to filter them on is Greenland, for example, you may locate a lot of forums that are special to Greenland this way, and then you just repeat the procedure until you have a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link. Because the number of forums in Greenland is restricted, you may also do it in Ireland or Belgium. Return to Google and go to Settings, then Region, then search for the nation you choose. You may repeat this technique as many times as you like. You can discover a range of weight loss videos on YouTube that is perfectly legal and ethical to use. You will not be fined or penalized because you are not reposting or re-uploading other people's videos, but rather sharing them. This is one approach to use the Google technique since it helps you to become incredibly focused and specialize in a certain field to make more money online. You may share this link in a variety of ways, including on YouTube, in the comments, or on any other website. It might be done on Facebook or any other social media platform, and the more people that click on your link, the more money you will make. This is how all of these individuals from all over the world make money, and it is something that they do all the time. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.